Beautiful rainy day. Look at all the water in our yard. Only thing I don't mind about today, even though it's nasty rainy, is that it's at least warm. It ain't too cold out, it's about 60, so. I figured it'd start up pretty darn easy. What is up, Loud and Proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today, guys. We are in the truck right now, headed to the property. Why the property, you may be asking? Well, as you see, it is filthy muddy out, and there's not a lot of stuff to do today. Now, I know, we've got mods on the Nasty Red that still haven't been done. However, we're gonna be continuing that very soon. We've actually got a major time crunch. We're gonna call ARP and we're gonna talk to them about the whole head stud deal because there's so many different opinions. It's a very controversial topic. Everybody's right, and it's either you have to take the head off or you're gonna destroy your truck if you don't take it off and completely redo it. You have to do this or you have to do that. Only do one headset at a time. Don't do them all, one at a time. Do everything at the same time. So it's just take them all out, put them all in. There's just too many different opinions, and everybody says that if you don't do it their way, then it's not gonna work and it's gonna fail. So it's like, we're just gonna go directly to the ARP. We're gonna call them and be like, okay, everybody's got a different opinion. Everybody's right. So like, what's the actual way you guys would suggest being it's your product? Like, what would you guys have to say, you know what I mean? Just to make sure everything is done, at least from what they say, what ARP says. That'll get dealt with this week. We've also got the new, I think it's the rocker pedestals coming in that are machined down for the head studs. We've also got wheels and tires for the Nasty Red coming tomorrow. I've said that for about a week now, but they are actually coming tomorrow. I called the transportation place, the place that is shipping them, and she said that they're in town today and they should be here tomorrow at noon. So that's good stuff. Those are finally going to be in here. Yeah, I think it was today. He called and scheduled the flatbed to go on the Nasty Red this weekend, this upcoming weekend. So we're going to see if we can get that done. The only problem is Nasty Red doesn't run right now. So that means that we have to get all of this stuff done in terms of push rods, head studs, the rocker arms. I mean, all of that stuff has to be done so the truck is fully running by Saturday. Like, it has to be done by Saturday. We'll try to get it done, guys. It's gonna be a busy week, and I have to go put the money down on my four-wheeler tomorrow, and then that will be in also this week in like 2 days after tomorrow. So I guess like 3 or 4 days from now, the new four-wheeler is gonna be here as well. So that's exciting stuff. I'm actually going to go to the property and do a little bit of mudding. So we're gonna see how that goes. I haven't been over there yet this year with this much rain on the ground, so we'll see how that looks over there. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty nasty. It's a little muddy. It is definitely a little muddy. It's a little bit deeper than it looks like through the camera. This looks like it's pretty shallow mud. But for a dually on stocks, not like super deep, but it's not. It ain't shallow stuff. Back on the old GoPro here. First off, let's put this thing in. I think that's 4 high right there. Oh. This stuff is so nasty. Look at this. Is it worth it? Right now my rear tires aren't in the mud. There we go. That's first gear. Oh no. I don't have any momentum now. Oh no, this isn't good. Try reverse again. Okay, let's see here. Try that first. Yeah, once I got a little bit of traction with those rocks on that rock pile, it was all good. Now, I would go other places with my truck here, but there's not really other places that I can mud without rutting up everything and making it like a totally nasty mess where my dad does not want to mess. Versus right here, he's like, yeah, I don't really care. You gotta grade it all out anyhow. Like anywhere around the fields and stuff, like I would, except then you're just asking for like a bunch more work. Let me try in second gear. I don't know if that'll be much better or not. Oh, it's so nasty. Getting mud in my truck. So much mud like on me when I hold the camera out there. I don't really want to do that. Get my interior caked in mud. It's like you thought it was going to be a not as fun day when you have to wash the outside of your truck, then just have to wash all your interior out. That stuff's a lot deeper than it looks, guys, I'm telling you. See if I can back up a little bit again. I think we get it out this time. Oh, we're so close. Oh, crap. It's not that far into the mud though. Like, I mean, like when you're looking out here, like let me get out and kind of show you where we're at. I mean, it's nasty, but it's not too crazy. As long as the axles have clearance, we'll be fine. But it's pretty close. I mean, that rear dip is touching the mud. I don't care what anybody says about tucking pants into boots when you're out here. It's muddy. Oh yeah, that front dip, see, that's hitting the mud. The whole rear dually set of tires over there caked in mud. Yeah, that's like a big old donut over there. Look at all the mud on my freaking hood and crap. That's why I'm building a mudding ATV, because I would have way more fun doing this kind of crap in an ATV that's built for mud versus, you know, this crap. And that ATV is gonna be built like a flipping monster. It's gonna be cool. That's what's up right there. Team Loud and Proud, baby. I think we've got like 2 stickers left in stock or something. Like, there's like not much. You know what's crazy is this dually actually muds better than my 2001 Silverado that I had on 35s with all-terrain tires. That was just obviously a single rear axle. It was a 1500, but this thing actually does better, even though I didn't take that thing mudding a lot. I can just tell because like when I had it in like stuff like that before a couple of times, like it didn't do very well in 4-wheel drive even. It wasn't great unless you absolutely hammer the crap out of it and got a running start. everybody, sadly that is all I have for you guys today. It was just one of those days where we're still waiting on some parts to finish up the Nasty Red, so I couldn't really go forward and start messing with that truck yet. And then also, we're still waiting on some other parts, components that are gonna coming in tomorrow to continue on that truck. So it was either I did something like this or I just didn't get a video up. And I didn't get a video up yesterday too, so I just figured, you know what, I'll throw them up something. They'll either watch it and enjoy it or they won't, but at least it'll be there for them to, you know, at least have that opportunity for a piece of content today. So hopefully you guys are all having a great day. Hopefully you enjoyed that little mudding clip with the dually. If you did, smash that like button, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are new, join the team, join the family, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we should be seeing the reveal of the new wheels and tires for the Nasty Red. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
What I love going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the